Hello everyone. In this video, we will show two ways to restart the Garmin Venu 3 or 3S watch. The first option is to do a soft shutdown and start the watch. For that, you will have to long hold on the top button, scroll down and hit the power off button and check yes. And then once you tap and see, you will see that it's shut down. To start it back again, you have to hold the top button again for a few seconds and then you let it go. And you see the Venu logo restarting. The second option is more of a hard shutdown and start. So for that, you will have to long hold on the topmost button and you just don't let it go. Even after you see this message, you still keep on holding till the screen goes blank. At this point, it's shut down. Now you can do the same thing, hold for a few seconds. And you will see the watch start again. That's it. These are the two ways to restart the Garmin Venu 3 or 3S watch. If you found this video helpful, please like this video by hitting the thumbs up icon. Consider subscribing to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.